In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add API key in Shopify. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, open Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage your store's apps and connections. Next, go to Sales Channels and open the Shopify App Store view. In the search field, type to highlight the option for app development so you can access Shopify's development tools. Click App Development. You'll see an option to build apps in the developer dashboard. Go ahead and open that. In the Dev dashboard, choose Create App. Give your app a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Then confirm by selecting Create. This creates the shell of your custom app, which is how Shopify provides you with an API key and secret. Now, begin setting up the app version. Open the new version screen and go to URLs. Here, add the required URLs for your app, such as your app's base URL or callback endpoints, depending on your integration. Choose the API version from the dropdown and select 2025-04 to align with the current stable Shopify API release. Save any changes you've made as you go to avoid losing progress. Next, open the Access section. This is where you decide what parts of your store the app can interact with. Select the permissions your integration actually needs. If your workflow involves point-of-sale features, make sure to include POS access where applicable. Keeping scopes minimal is a best practice for security and compliance. Continue by opening App Proxy if your integration will serve content through Shopify at a specific path. Configure the proxy details as prompted, then save. If your solution needs to appear within the Shopify POS interface, enable Embed App in Shopify POS. This lets your app surface in the POS app experience for store staff. When your configuration looks good, proceed to release. You'll be guided through confirming the version. Click through the prompts to finalize and confirm, release this new version. Releasing publishes the app configuration so Shopify can generate credentials tied to this version. After the release completes, return to your app's overview in the Dev dashboard. You'll now see your API credentials, including the API key. Copy these and store them securely in a password manager or your team's secret vault. Treat them like sensitive keys. Never commit them to code repositories and rotate them if they're ever exposed. If you later change permissions or URLs, create and release a new version to keep everything in sync. That's it. Your Shopify